One kayo eh. May mga
Well, I must say I was surprised. I didn't expect it, but if that was what was approved by the PBA board, then we have to keep a mind on it. It is what it is, right? For now, our focus is just on this series first. Like I said, it's unusual. I was surprised. Approve yan ang board. So, wala tayong
Feeling ko yung na-realize na may konting yung format.
nung nilabas, nung hindi sila, 2 days ago, yung step ladder na gano'n, hindi ko lang na
So, you weren't aware nung start of the conference?
no. I guess because of my exposure, pati sa FIBA, international, how it's always, yung number 1 palagi sa huli na naglalaban dito. I assume that. I never thought about it.
Coach, kasi si Coach yung parang nabanggit siya na parang yung ganong format disincentivizes yung pagiging number 1. Ano take mo sa ganong, Coach? Do you agree?
Yeah, except pag tinignan mo naman yung mga teams that are remaining, wala akong mahina eh. Doesn't matter, di ba? You really have to still be at your best regardless. So, in my mind, like I said, I'll just focus on the things within our control and see whatever happens in the future happens.